Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I love that I'm starting off with makeup and hair done already. I usually start off pretty bad looking. Today's video is a little different. I don't even know what I'm going to talk about, to be honest with you. I mean, I know what I'm going to talk about, but I haven't thought about it. I just figure that I'll just talk and it'll flow. But the beginning is always hard, as you know. So, how do I start this? If you follow me, and if you don't, by the way, I notice a lot of you guys watch and you don't hit the subscribe button. You're not subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button. And then this way my videos can come up more often on your feeds. So don't forget to subscribe. I have not been telling you to do that, so that's my fault. I don't know why. I just forgot to be saying it on my videos. So please subscribe. And if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you. So I've been making these videos on YouTube for 7 years now. And I know when I started, I knew when I started how it was going to be walking in. It's a long, slow, and steady. All YouTube channels are different. You can be successful right away and grow really fast, or it can take time. And that's fine because I wasn't doing this for the money. I mean, money's always good. I was lucky enough that I worked a full-time job most of those years, and I did this kind of like as a hobby on the side. I never expected to keep going at it, but I enjoy it so much. I love doing this. I'm not one to stick. I try everything. I want to try everything. And if I don't like it or I like it, I'm like, okay, I tried it, done, move on. Let's try and crochet blankets. Teach myself how to crochet, and I crochet blankets for the next 3 years. And then I'm over it. But this is something that really I stuck with. I'm proud that I stuck with it because I know it's slow and steady, and I am thinking of the future. I always throw the future, even when I started, to see, because YouTube is a growing platform, and I can keep making the same videos, but they've evolved a little too over time. I think that's a good thing. I would love for you to tell me if there's anything else you want to talk about. I keep saying I want to get into other topics, like menopause. So that's another time. A lot of YouTubers who are doing beauty vlogging, who are making beauty videos, like myself, I feel like there's a word and I can't think of it. A lot of the times they will go on and create a makeup or skincare or vitamins or Lisa, Makeup by Lisa, is it she? I always followed her because she was an inspiration to me, because I watched her as I started to get ideas too, and she's a makeup artist, so she's an expert, which I am not. I'm self-taught over these years, but I remember when she was at like 45,000 subscribers, and she was really good, and now she's like 200,000 maybe, I don't know. And she has her own line of makeup brushes, and that's wonderful. And it's like, you see things like that, you see stories like that. A lot of the vloggers I watched over time, anyway, they went off to do clothing, and it really works out for them. And I've bought and purchased their stuff all the time. Now, I always think, what's going to be my thing? And the thing is, I want it to be something that really has to do with me. And I like to keep busy, so I know a lot of people do this whole drop shipping, etc. And makeup is just a little too, it's not really I like to play with it, but I don't know anything about it as far as the ingredients. And I'm here, I'm like you, I'm reviewing makeup. I don't know anything about it as far as how it's made, etc. So I didn't think that would be a smart thing to do. Who's going to buy my makeup? There's so much makeup. Always love new makeup though, but it's not my forte. I don't really have a forte, but I think I've always been like on the creative side. I hated school. It's one or the other, I guess. I always just loved doing things, and I realized, what do I do? And I didn't want to do a hair product, by the way. I know that would be like the most obvious, because again, it goes back to, I don't know how to make a hair product, and I don't want to create something that's a lot of responsibility, I feel. I don't want to find out like burning somebody's, like, I don't want any negativity that could happen. So I'm like, I'm not going to create a hair product. I wanted something that actually has meaning, and more meaning. I mean, those are meaningful, but more meaning like from me. And it started with a few ideas. There is one idea that I had that is years old and still in the working, but that's another story. What I always envisioned selling was little accessories, maybe for the house. I don't know yet. I wasn't sure. I would just like think of things, and somehow this all came together. I don't know how. I just let the universe guide me. I don't know where the ideas came from. I just thought of it, and now I'm like, I love that it all came together like this. I personally know that when I travel, I like to have travel bags that I can put my cosmetics in, my toiletries, my hair accessories, etc., etc. And sometimes I like to keep that separate. So I looked into cosmetic bags, and it wasn't enough for me. I was thinking how, I could make something, and I used to sew actually all the time. I made curtains, I made couch cushions with ribbed, I made chair cushions, I made more curtains for the kids' room. I remember I used to love doing that. Was it perfect? No, but I didn't care. It was good enough, and it looked really good, and I enjoyed it. So somehow I got into this embroidery machine idea, and let's just get into it, what I have, because enough already, right? I'm calling this the everything bag. This is one of 8 of my cosmetic bags that I have made on the embroidery machine. Original image here. This is not, I did use Canva. I used Canva for my designs, but this is actually a picture of me. Because I don't want to get in trouble or anything, This stores so many things. You can store all your lipsticks in one bag, and it holds so much. It's really large. I would say maybe eyeshadow in this one, mascara. I did make some bags with words because I wanted something that you can give to a friend as a gift, maybe in a bridal party even. These are the only ones available. I am not gonna, I can't personalize. I'm just gonna, because then I'll go crazy. So these are the only ones, and they all have something that I personally put together in my head. I know it's crazy. I love trees. I love trees. I love the energy from the trees. I feel like connected to trees. And I wanted one that was of nature. So what better than a tree with some grass? Here's a Zen one. You can give Zen to your friend to say, be at peace, etc., whatever. And you can hold anything in here, toiletries. It's just cute because it has a little symbol of maybe how you're feeling, hopefully. I'm kind of thinking money bag, save for a vacation, save for a gift, save for something. The nail polish one, well, I say it's nail polish, I call it nails. In this one right here, I have 10 bottles. You could fit so many more. You could fit so many more. And it's a great way to keep them organized. What I do love about this is that it's made out of an eco-friendly material, jute burlap. You go on the website, it explains exactly how it's made, how it's processed, etc. I just love the naturalness of it. I can't explain it, but that's just another thing about me. These bags are all about me, and I want to share parts of me with you. So then you can share parts of those with your friends, and we can all have this little bag community. But seriously, I hope this works out. I really want to build on this and take it one item at a time, like this is my everything bag. I want to see how this goes. See, this is all new to me, guys. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I really don't. So slow and steady is my rule. And if it goes well, I have so many ideas. Like I love making candles. You guys know that. I don't know if you know that. I've only made a couple videos on that. But I like to make candles. And I was even thinking like other things that could be fun. But let's just start with this. And I really do hope you guys enjoy this bag. Use it for your vitamins. Anything. You could put everything in it. That's why I call it the everything bag. And it's great for traveling. Zips securely. Natural, so that it goes with all your other luggage pieces or just your bathroom or your bedroom. Keep no crazy colors. That's why even the colors that are on each bag, I only use a minimum of like maybe 4 colors. The eyes, I am going to give an option of eye color to blue, green, and brown. Let me know. You can choose which one in checkout. The bags with the words on them are $20, and the designs are $25. I'm doing free shipping because it's just easier. I know I like free shipping, so I would assume you do too. And yeah, you just have to pay for taxes. I can't help you on that one. Free shipping, set price, that's it. I'm so excited. I feel like this is my next beginning, and I still want to continue to do all my videos, obviously. I feel like I have a new style that I'm liking. I hope you like it too. Kind of voiceovers while I try products. I enjoy that style because I feel like it's laid back and it's relaxing, and it kind of brings me back to the old style of before checking in on the hair product and how it did at the end of the day, or the makeup product. You get to see a little bit of me hanging around. I was able to finally make this video because I finally colored my hair. My roots were like down to here. I'm not even kidding. Wow. I like aged. I'm telling you, I don't know. I don't think I did gray. I looked so much older. But it is what it is. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the video here. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please comment below if you have any questions. I want to answer anything. You really can fit so much in here. If you want to ask me what I can fit my phone. My phone fits in there. A big clumpy clip even, because it expands on the bottom. It expands on the bottom here, see? So you really can fit a lot. Any other questions, please comment below. And when am I launching this site? Oh my God. It's New Year's Eve today. Today's New Year's Eve. And I want to thank all of you for a great 2024. Couldn't have a channel without you guys watching. And I hope that I entertained you as much as I can. And if you have any other ideas that you'd like me to try out, please let me know. Or any new makeup, I'm in. I'm still trying makeup. I'm excited. I just like to see new stuff coming out. I want to see what's new, what's out there. So I have some homework to do there. And I do have a hair product that I bought yesterday from Bedhead After Party. Convenient for after the New Year's Eve parties, which I will not be going to. I will be sitting at home, thank God. Thank you again, guys. Thank you for you. And I wish you all a great new year in 2025. Let's raise that vibration. All of us raise our vibration so that we all raise our vibrations together. It helps. And we can all live in peace and harmony one day. Maybe? I don't know. Love you all, and I will see you next year. Please check out my site. I still have, it's under Deb New York Curl because that's my site name, and it's who I am. Till next time. Bye, guys.